Alright guys, we are off to the bus station. We're just waiting on our cab. Should be here in about 15 minutes or less. Let's go, let's go. All packed up, ready to go. Are you ready to go? I think he's ready for more sleeping. Jennifer's doing last minute stuff on her phone. Say hola, Jennifer.
Hola.
Okay guys, let's go, let's go. Alright guys, we made it. We're in the Soriana's parking lot here. The cab driver parked us around the other side, so we had to walk around this massive shopping plaza here. So here we go, 100% pet friendly. Good way to travel. There's a dog in the window right there. Guys, we're about 30 minutes from Mexico City now. The train is packed. Busy, busy. Alright guys, that was an adventure. I think our bus has a flat tire. I seen his light had come on and he had stopped a couple of times. The bus had shut off because he had a flat tire, and we were sitting right up front, so I saw the light was on and then it went to red. Banyo. Popeyes. Okay, we're gonna go find a banyo here and then catch a cab to our Airbnb. Alright guys, we're in a taxi now, and the driver just told Jennifer that there's a pride parade going on right where we're going. So it's busy and it's all backed up down there. All right, guys, here's the street here that we live on for the next week. And we are now at our Airbnb, and it's pretty nice. I just took a quick peek inside, so let's come along and take a look together. Pet friendly. Nice little courtyard here. Very, very nice. All private, secure. So it's pretty cool. They have an app, and to get in, you just hold the app up and it unlocks the padlock at the main gate. So that's pretty cool. And then once you're inside, they have the lock box right here to the left of me, but it was already open, so the key was inside in the door. They probably just finished setting it up for us or whatever. Pretty nice, so pretty wicked.
Hola.
Hola.
Up.
Cece's at home. Come here. You stay here. Okay, so we got this downstairs area, a little sitting room here. Very small, but it's nice, really nice. So, looks pretty good. And then we go up the spiral staircase to our suite. And you got nice glass windows all the way up here, wrapped around to the top, like a solarium. Okay, this is like lava rock almost, this staircase here. It feels like it anyway. I gotta pick Cece up. Let's go up and have a peek, guys. It's pretty nice. So, it's a loft style. It's quite spacious up here too. So they got nice furniture, big couch, you know, really nice. Super, super nice. And very beautiful decor. Like, I love the decor. Got an old guitar here hanging up. Someone wants to pick. Beautiful place.
Guitar string.
There you go.
Yeah,
Oh, nice little kitchen. Got 2-burner stove top. Got a little coffee pot here. Looks like an espresso machine.
yes, it's
Oh, and it's a Nescafe, similar.
Yeah.
Couple pods there. Got a microwave. It's got a little fridge. You got the director's chair. That's where I'll be sitting, I guess. 2 director's chairs. Very nice. Very, very cool place. Okay, now let's check out the bedroom. Very nice. I love the wooden headboard and the wooden end tables. Very, very nice. Nice big windows. And a nice big flat screen TV. And look at the old car. Wow. Very cool. And lots of closet space. Excelente. Very, very nice. We'll take a quick peek out the window here. That was Jen that was hollering at me. Very, very nice. So Jen was reading online, this place has 100 5-star reviews on TripAdvisory.
So much bigger than I expected.
It's very big, yeah, and look at the bathroom. Like, wow, look at this mirror.
Yeah, even the bathroom's big.
The bathroom is massive. Like, look at this. Wow.
It is not a tub. They said it looks like a tub. Please don't use it as a tub. It's not a tub.
Yeah, they sent a message. It looks like a tub, but it's not a tub. Don't use it as a tub. It's a shower. So, it does look like it's a tub, but it's not. It's a shower. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Very, very cool. I like it. I've never seen a brown toilet like that. Or black.
Black.
It's black. Very, very cool.
Not great pressure.
Well, hopefully the shower's got good pressure. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining us today on this journey from Xalapa. Oh, Cece saying goodbye. Thanks for joining us on this journey from Xalapa to Mexico City. God bless everybody out there. Let's have a look at you. Oh, time to go get something to eat, my friends. Tacos, tortas, adios, hasta luego. Be kind to one another. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth and all that good stuff. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Adios. Wait.